Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm an NFI certified expert with Woodland Direct, and today we're going to talk about how to install your FlameCraft Tondo gas burning fire pit. Today, we're working with the 30-inch matchlit system. There is the electronic ignition system as an added accessory if you would like. However, in this instance, we just have the 30-inch matchlit. So the first thing you want to do is open up your component bag. In your component bag, you'll have a flexible gas line. This flexible gas line is designed to connect from your burner to your key valve, which is already attached. That key valve obviously comes with a key and a bracket. This bracket is designed to be installed inside of the fire pit, connected to my key valve to hold the valve into place so it's not moving around. The escutcheon plate is the final part of the key valve. This gives a nice clean finish on the outside and works in conjunction with this bracket to lock the key valve in place. Lastly, we have a gas supply line. This instance happens to be propane. This will connect directly to your propane tank. This will connect to the other side of your key valve. Now that everything is unboxed, let's go ahead and do the install. What I'm going to do is show you the installation outside of the fire pit. Obviously, all of these connections will take place inside. However, for this demonstration, I'm going to show you all the connections on the outside. So first, I'm going to take my flexible line. I'm going to connect it to my burner. These connections will be done hand tight and then a quarter turn more, grabbing a couple of wrenches to make that tightening happen. Now with my flexible line on the end of it, I've got my key valve. I'm going to make sure each connection, again, hand tight plus a quarter turn. On this key valve, I will have a bracket. The bracket is designed to hold with the escutcheon plate to hold my key valve in place. Looks like this. Escutcheon plate will be on the outside, gives a nice completed finish. It will be threaded onto my key valve like this. This again holds this key valve in place. Your supply line, whether it be propane or natural gas, will run into the key valve right here. In this instance, we have a propane line. So my propane line will thread in here, and the propane hose will run underneath my fire pit to your propane tank. So this right here is the completed look, and now I'm going to show you with it threaded inside my fire pit. Place this in here. This is where my escutcheon plate would be installed and threaded into my key valve. And that is everything you need to know about installing your FlameCraft Tondo gas burning fire pit. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online, www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.